Hey everyone, Tim Uchuk here. In this video, I wanted to provide a quick update on a replacement for Calendly scheduling. If you have not seen this yet, this is a Gmail feature. For those of you who use Gmail, you might have seen this on the bottom here, the schedule helper. But if you haven't, here's how it works. And the benefit here is you can eliminate the back and forth finding a time for a meeting. So you just click on this button here. And there's some quick customization options that you can select. So select the duration right here. I'm going to go 30 minutes. And then it's going to find some times in your calendar. But if you're not happy with those times, you can select, let's say, next week. And then I'm going to click on the pencil and I'm going to manually select a couple options here. So click on the pencil. Now, these are the times it's selected, but I can click these off and I can select some other times manual if I want, just like this. So once I select the options here, I'm going to go propose these 8 times, click. And then when you send out the email, they'll be able to click on any of those times and enter it into your calendar. Hope this helps. We'll see you in the next video.